The Black Label series by Louisiana Grills boldly reimagines the meaning of pellet grilling. A full redesign of the original Louisiana Grills line, this lineup includes Upscale Designs and an intelligent digital control board. The Black Label series perfectly circulates air, smoke, and heat around the inside of the cooking area, giving you better flavor, competition-level barbecue, and consistent cooks with even more heat flow. Unlike its competitors, the 800, 1000, and 1200 models possess the capability of both direct and indirect cooking using our innovative Seartech technology, turning your unit from a smoker to a grill to a high-temperature sear station with a simple pull of a lever. The Black Label's unique burn system gives you the ability to reach high temperatures of 600 to 1000 degrees. Use the Smoke IT app to remotely control everything on the digital control board from the convenience of your phone. The Black Label Series Vertical Smoker by Louisiana Grills is designed to raise the standard of your backyard culinary experience. Featuring a 65-pound hopper, a redesigned burn system, and 1,077 square inches of total cooking area, the Black Label Vertical Smoker puts you in control of luxury outdoor cooking. With a best-in-class 5-year warranty, the Black Label series by Louisiana Grills.